how much do you know about human rights in North Korea? Until now, no UN special reporter has ever gone into North Korea to investigate human rights issues firsthand. From now on, you will be a special reporter for North Korean human rights. Listen to the stories of North Korean defectors and complete a report on the human rights situation in North Korea. Are you ready? First, please fill out the application form to become a special reporter. Enter the participant code. Select the topic and keywords you want to investigate. Check empty sections in the chosen investigation topic. If the defector testimony section is empty, go to the defector testimony collection and find the one that fits your sections. The title, illustration, and the areas that are already filled in will give you clues to the areas that you have to investigate. Once you found something that matches your investigation, check the 3-digit code and enter it on your mobile. Fill out all empty sections, then press Report Completed button on the review that found context. You need at least one empty section to be filled to review. When you find any errors, you can correct them by entering correct context. Once you've completed investigation, click the Submit button to finalize your submission. Get investigation points. You can be promoted from investigator all the way up to the special envoy based on your points. Listen to as many North Korean defectors as possible to complete more human rights investigation reports to become a special North Korean human rights envoy.